A supervisor is the professional researcher who guides your research from conception to completion. Completing a research degree is like guiding a large ship through a harbour safely to the sea. Your supervisor is a tugboat, nudging you in the right direction, keeping you away from the rocks. But ultimately, you are driving the ship. That means that a good working relationship between student and supervisor is essential for research to go smoothly. Your supervisor must be somebody that you get along with, that you can see yourself working with closely for several years, and ultimately is somebody who is an expert in their particular research field. Now, a supervisor can expect their student to work independently on ideas of their own conception, but that their student will need help with the technical aspects of their research and with directing their research to make sure that it's completed on time. A student can expect their supervisor to offer help if, and more likely when, it's needed, to meet with them regularly to monitor their progress, but they can't expect their supervisor to do their work for them. The student and supervisor must work together to define the research aims and deadlines of each degree, meaning that no two research degrees are alike. So to identify a supervisor, first identify which universities are doing research in the area that you are interested in. Then use those universities' websites to identify which department that research is happening in. And then lastly, use department websites to identify specific researchers who are researching your very specific field of interest. And bear in mind that if your interest is interdisciplinary, you may need to look at multiple departments at the same university. Lastly, here at Exeter, we have a searchable database of projects which have been created by supervisors ready-made in their field of interest.